Hi guys, so I've been at this this industrial park, filming the demolition of a building here. But I thought this whole park deserves its own video, really. So we've got this person here. She's been here a while. I used to work on this estate, and pretty sure she's been here a few years. So people obviously driving up on the grass, which is just killing the grass, absolutely destroying it. As I was coming in, I had parked down the end of this road, and there is actually there's a camper van at the end with a guy living in it. So there's a few people living on here that probably shouldn't be. But yeah, like I was saying, the woman's been here a while, so I feel if the council were going to get rid of her, she would be gone by now. But she walks her dog around the estate and lets it poo everywhere. Let's walk over towards where the building's being demolished. And the other site I spotted on the way in that is definitely worthy of some YouTube content, which you'll find out shortly. Place here was the reason I decided to make a video purely on this industrial estate. Coastal Glass Limited. And this is how they see fit to keep their property. Silicon, rubbish. I don't think I've seen one this bad, you know. This is rough. Just bricks, just old rubbish. There's actually someone in that car there. Look. That rubbish. There's a bin there, look. It's empty. They're just not using it. Yeah, Coastal Glass Limited on Birch Close. Okay, that skips just glass only, and it is full of glass, to be fair. But it doesn't. It's just like a tip. It's even on top of the roof there. Very messy indeed. Guarantee they've charged customers to get rid of all this waste. Oh, that's burnt doors. In fact, all of this is burnt. There's been a fire here. Yeah, the fence. And that is down to them not dealing with their rubbish. Either it's combusted from a battery or some kids have come here and set it on fire. The thing is, if they looked after their site and didn't have all this rubbish everywhere, that probably would never have happened. Caught the building as well. It's only a matter of time before there's another fire and it destroys this building and potentially other buildings next door, which I'm sure the neighbours won't be happy about. absolutely disgusting. I mean, if that's their sign reading van, there's crazy, doesn't it, really? Can't look after their vans, they're not looking after their site. How's this company still in business? Wow, he's really demolishing that. Let's get a drone up and have a look. And that'll be the end of this video. Moving it along. So yesterday he was over here, demolishing this area, I believe, over here. Started there as well. Pretty sure that wasn't like that yesterday. Won't be long now. That'll all be gone. Is there much point? So is there much point? Is there much point? Let's come back over here. That's where all the action is. So it was a massive site before. I believe they made pumps, water pumps. So that's where we were just filming. You see from above how bad it is. I was just telling That guy there is just sweeping up. Just said to him, what's the point? Don't think he quite understood. Not much else going on here today. But yeah, anyway guys, that's going to be it here today at Hawthorne Road Industrial Estate in Eastbourne. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you could hit the subscribe button as well, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Last shot of this place. Should be ashamed.